Hi friends. Today I will tell you how to grow dill in boxes. This method is suitable for those who live in the city and only get to the dacha on weekends, as well as for those who live in arid regions, as in my case. That if you just sow dill seeds in the ground, they will not sprout due to severe drought. Since dill seeds are covered in essential oils and require a lot of moisture to germinate. But growing dill seedlings in boxes, we can provide it with enough moisture for germination and then bring this box with seedlings to the country house, or simply take it to the garden and plant the seedlings in open ground. The box I took, the usual fruit height is about 2 inches. This layer of soil will be enough for the dill to give good shoots. I used regular soil from the garden, but added coconut substrate to it so that the soil retains moisture longer. I sowed the seeds in the box as follows. I just randomly scattered the seeds over the soil in the box, then sprinkled them with a thin layer of soil and watered them abundantly until shoots appeared. Just as you can see the drawer, at the bottom of the drawer I have cloth. I used agrofiber to keep the soil from crumbling. Now it's time to plant seedlings in open ground. Where to start in the first place? Of course, you need to dig up a garden bed. Then we make shallow grooves about 1 inch. And the distance between the grooves should be 4 inches. Their length does not matter how many seedlings you have that length and do. Well, now the most important thing, I will show how dill seedlings are planted. Below we have a fabric, so we take it and lift it, separate the desired bunch of dill and simply plant it in the grooves. I do not separate each sprout individually, but simply put it in the groove with a start, and then level the root with my fingers. While the dill is not damaged, and I completely forgot to tell you how and when it will be necessary to plant dill seedlings in open ground. When you see that on a larger number of seedlings, in addition to the cotyledon leaves, such fluffy dill leaves have appeared. This means that it is time to plant in open ground. The root system has already begun to form. But it is still small in size, so the roots are not intertwined and will not be damaged during planting. Then we carry out abundant watering and let the moisture soak in. And only after that we sprinkle the roots with soil from above, and then with the second hand we move the soil closer to the dill, thereby placing it in a column. In general, if you do not want to bother, you can leave it and just sprinkle it with earth. It will continue to grow and straighten up. And look, 2 weeks after planting, what a gorgeous, fluffy dill grows. As you understand, this is a great way for those who simply sow seeds in the ground does not give any results. Seeds do not germinate. In the same way you get 100% germination, excellent planting material. And you will get an early harvest of dill. If you start growing dill before the start of the season. To whom the information was useful, be sure to like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos.